Hello and welcome to the Forefront Documentum application demo series. Today we're going to talk about a controlled documents application that's very similar to many applications a lot of our customers in the regulated space have worked with, where they work with policy and procedures, drawings, specifications, and a lot of your control docs and your records management team, your control documents team. But of course, you can use this with a lot of areas when you're managing content and information across the enterprise. So I'm using my browser and I'm logging in web interface. And one thing about this web base, you'll see future demos, responsive, so any device. You could access this on your tablet, on your phone, and the interface would fit to that device. So you see as Robert has logged in, he's got a nice simple portal type interface. So it's just a quick, easy application where he can search for documents. He can create, he's got a drop zone where he can drop that image. Many customers put their own corporate image or some of their logos or some of the colors associated with that. So fully flexible and customizable to each customer. And you can see down the bottom in kind of the command area, this is where the user has one-click access to anything they need to do. Think of it as their action bar or action area. So I can go create a general procedure, or I can create a quality control procedure, or a new drawing or spec. And the system may give us the information, the template, and then take that document and put it in a workflow, or file it, or auto-name it. So a very powerful application that has intelligence behind the scenes, almost like an electronic librarian. We've got searches, we've got work queues, so that users, if they have their approval queue of what they need to work on, it shows up in that queue. Reports, quick access to information, quick views, everything they need right at their fingertips. Let's do a quick search. Most of the time we have a nice application such as this. We need to go in and find a document. Let's find a certain procedure. And if I click on policy search, the system will take me to a nice metadata index-driven, data value-driven search page where I can quickly go in and search by SOP status, functional area, type, creator, search between certain dates. Or I can even go in and say, you know what, I think I have a procedure with flyer in the name, and go back and we'll pull all of the different documents related to fire. And the one I'm actually looking for is our fire safety procedure here. And I can click on this document, open it up, but I can see, it's a Word document, but as I mouse over across here, you can see intelligence in that name, SOP, QC, fire safety procedure 1637, version control, the rev control that's in the application. That lets me know it's effective and it's a quality procedure. So again, quick access to the information I need, and again, just to open it, double click, and it's going to open up that PDF, that fire safety procedure. So again, very, very powerful, neat and cool there. We can close our search, and again, we're right back on our page. We go in and again, get back to work, do what we need to do. And maybe we need to find some records, different types of documents. Maybe they're driven by different data fields are important to these. Maybe it's documents related to a project or a site or a discipline. So we could quickly go back and search for all of our electrical diagrams or flow drawings or whatever thing. So we can search by that discipline and pull certain documents back. And you can see, again, different files. We could click open them. We could search inside, filter on the result set. Again, the whole key is to easily and quickly allow users to access and find their stuff. And then lastly, look at this master search. Think about searching the entire repository, full text search. Many of you with this work with Documentum for a long time, you're used to that advanced search. So here I can do my full text search. I've got a lot of my what we call smart searches or intelligent searches. And then even I've got my advanced search where I can go in and start building my own search, adding my properties. I can save it and quickly navigate to what we're looking for. And so speaking of saved searches, I've got my saved searches there, and you can see where I've got a myriad of saved searches there where I can quickly go in and quickly run that search again. So overall, the system makes it so we can find those records, find those documents, and get easy access to them. And then some of the other things we talked about, quick views, just one sample of that. Documents that are sent out to the training team, they're approved for the training team to review. In this use case, we can have one-click access on that and see all of the documents that are sitting there in that training queue. And from there we can take action on them. We can export the data work with it, and again, be able to move forward. Last thing we're going to do, let's go quickly in this demo. We don't want to go too long and bore you in the demo, but again, many times we also have to create certain documents. And many times there's use cases where you have to create from a template. And you want to make it easy for those authors and workers that are doing that job. So if I need to create a new quality control procedure, I just click on control procedure here. And when I click on that, the system's going to take me through a wizard where I fill out a few data fields. And I can go in, we'll just say this is a policy, and we can call this our testing of valves procedure. And then you can see the red fields are our required fields. We'll go in, we'll pick Mike as our reviewer. And again, many of these other data fields, as you know, if you're working with Documentum, you can fill them in later as it goes down through the process. Let's go ahead and click proceed. And now we've kind of kick-started the process, and we've got a quality control procedure that's been created from the template, and it gives the system provided a file name, SOP QC policy testing, testing of valves procedure, and then 1721, kind of that document number at the end. We've had customers do a wide variety of things. We're putting the date stamp in, or a numeric and alpha character number on that document. And also it lets us know where the document's being filed in the draft area. So now you're seeing some of that automation here where we've got documents being automatically named, automatically filed. So again, very powerful, very simple. So it's quickly, it could have kicked off and sent a notification to someone, the author, to start working on that. And lastly, to finish this up, let's just make sure, let's do a quick policy search and search by our draft status, an SOP type procedure. And as we find our document, there's a water valve testing procedure we just talked about. So again, you can see we've got that Word document. It says it's in the draft status. It lets us know that Robert created it. And again, quick, simple, again, ways to access those documents. So again, just a quick demo today. If you'd like to see more, please reach out to Forefront, and the OpenText team will be happy to share more information about these applications. But again, intelligent business applications, simple, powerful, and automated. So thank you for your time, and we really appreciate it.